This is Mike from streamingchurch.tv. Thank you for choosing streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming needs. This is the help video for the Sermon Clipper. You can navigate to the Sermon Clipper by going to Recordings and then Sermon Clipper. And to navigate this, you have a manual clip creation where you can pick all the pieces and add it together, or you can have an AI automated clip creation. It finds some of the high points in the sermon and then clips those into videos that then you can preview. I'm going to show you both of those, but we're going to start with the manual clip creation. So I'm going to just select this video and then click go. So you notice here that you can search this. This is the full transcript down below with timestamp. So you can type in a phrase that you heard pastor say or anything you know is in the content and search that. And then let's say it's here and you find that. Then you can choose each of the pieces of the transcript that's going to make up that video and then hit create clip. And then it lands like this and you can preview that and then it's ready for download. You can download the clip here and then create another clip here. If you download the clip, it'll pop up the file storage. Then you can hit create another clip, brings you right back to the screen. You can choose the same sermon and go to another section or go find a different one that you want to do some clips on. You would continue to make the videos. You have instructions down below that will help you with this. And now I'm going to choose AI automated sermon clip. And this will take just a moment. And you notice it's giving you these clips. And you can play each one to see if it in fact is what you want. And you can pause it and fast forward it, move it along the way here. It also gives you a title and description to use for social media for that clip. You don't have to use that, but it's a good suggestion. Kind of gives you a framework. So here, for instance, a family campfire and a mission and our captioning for churches began. So you can play that. All right, so I know that happens to be a really good highlight for that recording, and we can choose that and then create selected clip, and it's ready to play and download. Again, your headline here and your synopsis of the video here to use in social media promotion of the clip that you have saved. So the key for this tool is that you do not have to upload any videos. They are already there. You have used the DVR or it is set up in My Recordings. Then the file will already be here to be able to select it and do clips. So this has been Mike for streamingchurch.tv, giving your how-to for the Sermon Clipper.